This update, the white fire in California. The reason why this fire was ignited and what causes this fire in California. According to the update that I have, it says wildfire in United States are ignited by both natural phenomena and human activities. Natural causes primarily include lightning strike, lightning strike can cause this wildfire, particularly hot lightning, like during time of rainy season or dry season. When lightning will strike, it can cause this wildfire also, which can generate sufficient heat to ignite fire. Hot lightning can generate sufficient heat to ignite fire. Human activities are responsible for approximately 85% of wildfire in the US, according to NFPC.government. So, human activities are also responsible for approximately 85% of wildfire. This fire often results from unattended campfire. Some of these people can also maybe they are celebrating something, just decide to make a campfire within themselves. Some they may forget to off the fire or quench the fire. With this, it can generate heat, hot heat, which can ignite this wildfire. So let's continue. There is this campfire can also generate it. Burning of debris, equipment malfunction, discarded cigarettes, and intentional acts of arson. So, according to this update, it says the reason why this wildfire generated in California may be from cigarettes, because all these people love cigarettes very well. They may just decide to take cigarette and throw it away with little fire on it. Then when the heat hits that cigarette, that dry wind will blow it, then spreading the fire all over everywhere. So this also can cause this wildfire that is going on in California. So according to this report, say these are also things that causes this wildfire in California. And also intentional acts of arson. Some of them may want to just intentionally, who has bad mindset also, to do something to someone. So this also contributed to the wildfire that is going on in California. In early January 2025, Southern California, particularly Los Angeles, has been experiencing significant wildfire activities. Major fire include the Palisade Fire. That is the major fire include Palisade Fire, which has burned over 23,000 acres with 11% containment, and Tarton fire, affecting over 14,000 acres, according to CNN. This fire have led to evacuation, properties losses, and deteriorating air quality. Efforts to contain this wildfire are ongoing, with local and national agencies collaborating to manage the situation. Factors such as strong wind and dry conditions continue to pose challenge to containment strategies. So, factors such as strong wind and dry conditions also are the challenges that California is facing right now. So, according to the reports, they have started doing everything possible to make sure they quench this fire that is recently going on in California. And the news that I'm getting right now is that close to 13 to 16 people have died. 13 to 16 people have died. And what I call it, this non-Hollywood movie where they do their movie is also destroyed. The Hollywood movie scene where they create their movie has also been destroyed. Then now we are hearing kebu that thing that is happening in Africa, like when something happen, some people will want to use the opportunity to loot other people's property. It's also going on in that same region currently. Today as I'm speaking, currently, according to the report I'm getting, that looters have started looting people's property, using the opportunity to loot people's property. So we are calling on the appropriate authority to take note of this and make sure that they find out the real truth about this allegation. So if you are in California, please stay safe. God bless you all.